Hello?
Hey.
Hi. So I'm gonna take a train to come see you.
Oh, awesome. When are you getting in?
I have to decide what time I should take the train, because I need enough time to pack.
Oh, right. Are you staying for long?
Just for the weekend.
Cool.
Yeah, but, I need to leave enough time to get there, because the lines get pretty long, and I know I'm gonna be waiting in line.
Yeah, holiday weekend, right?
Yeah, and I have to make sure that I have enough time to buy my ticket and find the track number, because I always have trouble. So,
I'll come pick you up.
Really?
Yeah, totally.
Great. So maybe I'll take the 2:30 train.
Alright, yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, great. I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
I love you.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
If I was young, I'd flee this town. I buried my dreams underground, as did I. We drink to die, we drink to now.